Today, I'll show you how to make Microsoft Planner dark mode. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser or open your planner board from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now, it is important to know that Microsoft Planner may not always have its own separate dark mode button inside the Planner settings. In many cases, the dark mode depends on where you are using Planner. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams, open Microsoft Teams first. Click your profile picture or the three dots near the top of Teams. Then open Settings. Go to Appearance and Accessibility or a similar appearance section. Now choose Dark as your theme. After changing the theme, Teams should switch to dark mode. When you open your planner board inside Teams, it may also appear with the darker Teams design. If you are using Planner in a web browser, the steps may be different. Planner in the browser may follow some Microsoft 365 appearance settings, but it may not always fully support dark mode on its own. You can try opening Microsoft 365 settings and checking for theme options. Click the settings gear near the top of the Microsoft 365 page. Look for theme or appearance. If a dark theme is available, select it and refresh Planner. If Planner still does not change to dark mode, you can use your browser or device dark mode as another option. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Personalization, then Colors, and choose Dark Mode. On Mac, open System Settings, go to Appearance, and choose Dark. After changing your device theme, reopen your browser and check Planner again. You can also check if your browser has dark mode settings or extensions, but be careful with browser extensions, especially on work accounts, because some extensions may have access to page data. If you are using the Planner mobile app or Teams mobile app, open the app settings and look for Appearance, Theme, or Dark Mode. Choose Dark Mode if the option is available. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner does not always have its own dark mode switch. Try using Planner inside Microsoft Teams, turn on Teams Dark Theme, or change your Microsoft 365, browser, device, or mobile app appearance settings. And that's how you make Microsoft Planner dark mode. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.